Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to make public profile on Snapchat. For this, first of all, you need to check if your Snapchat app is updated to its latest version. For this, go to your Google Play Store and type Snapchat, and you can see I have open button here. It means my Snapchat is updated to its latest version. Now I will just open my Snapchat app, and now I will go to my profile. Then here you can see this is my public profile because I have already created my public profile. But if you have not created your public profile, you will find the option of create public profile. And if in any case you're not finding the option of creating public profile, you just need to go to your settings and then scroll down and go to privacy control. Here, first of all, you need to click on contact me, and here click to everyone, then see me in quick add and take this option, and on notifications you need to set it to everyone, not on my friends. So after these settings you will find the option of create public profile here. As you can see, I have already created my public profile. If I will open this, you can see this is my public profile where I can upload stories, spotlight, and insight. So this is easy and simple. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.